What's up? Today I'm going to show you a guide of how to fix game low FPS. Go to the search bar and type, adjust for best performance. Open the settings, apply the changes, and click OK. Defragment and optimize drives. In the search bar, type, defragment and optimize drives. Select all your drives and click optimize. Disk cleanup. Type disk cleanup in the search bar. Open it, select your main drive, check all boxes, and click OK. Disable startup programs. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab and disable all unnecessary programs. Disable overlays. Steam, go to Steam settings in-game, turn overlay off. Set display refresh rate. Search for Display Settings, then click Advanced Display Settings. Set the highest available refresh rate. Enable Game Mode. In the search bar, type Game Mode. Open it and turn Game Mode on. Then go to Game Bar and turn it off. Graphics Settings. Still under Game Mode Settings, go to Graphics Settings. Turn on Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling. If you experience stutters, try turning it back off. Background Apps and Notifications. Search for background apps and turn them off. NVIDIA Control Panel, if you have an NVIDIA GPU. Right-click on the desktop, open NVIDIA Control Panel. Go to Manage 3D Settings, set to let the 3D application decide. To reset any changes, click Restore at the bottom and then again at the top right. If you've tried everything and are still facing lag or poor performance, there's really only one solution that works consistently: exit lag. I've been using it myself, and it completely fixed the issues I couldn't solve before. And the best part? If you use my link, you get an exclusive 50% discount. Don't wait, click the link and take your gaming to the next level. See you in the next one.